back. Today is one of them days that you just don't want to be recording about, but I came to do my makeup this morning and I 90% of the time always use a makeup sponge, be it a beauty blender, a Real Technique sponge, whatever. I've used loads of different makeup sponges and I've got to say I've never come across the problem that I've come across this morning, and I've probably been using makeup sponges 5 years, I would say. So I am a bugger for not washing my beauty blender after every single use. I will use it a couple of times, 3 times, and then I will wash it. I'll just use the same method that I've always used. I get a bar of soap, rub the beauty blender onto it, and then squeeze the foundation out. And I always believe I've taken all the foundation out, and then I'll just leave it on the side to air. But I'll leave it in my bathroom to air, which is the area that I think I've been going wrong. So I didn't wash my beauty sponge, and I don't particularly think it's because this brand in particular. I think it would happen with any beauty sponge. I found mould growing through my sponge, and I think it's because I wash it and then I leave it to dry out on the side in the bathroom, so it's not aerating probably. I mean, I don't know whether you've had this problem with your beauty sponges, but please leave a comment down below if you have. So I'll show you. You can see it right there. So I picked it up and I thought, oh, I've got lipstick on it, or I've got some kind of other makeup product that's just gone speckly on it. No, washed it, didn't come out, left it to dry again, still there, not a mark that's, you know, waterlogged or anything. And it's literally growing the whole way through it, all around the side. I'll show you again. My dog is scratching at the carpet. She's trying to make herself comfy. Yeah, so I was quite horrified by this, and I totally think it's my own fault for how I've been storing it and how I've been washing it. I think if I'd have been, I don't know, maybe put it on a windowsill where there's some airflow to it to let it dry properly. Because I've used these sponges for a very long time, I've never had this problem before. But then I did look online and there's a shit ton of other people that have had the same issue where they found mould on their beauty blenders, beauty sponges, other name brands, Real Technique. This is a Real Technique sponge, but there's loads of different brands that have got the same problem. So I'm guessing that it's just the actual spongy material, that if you leave water in it, you're going to grow mould. And I've probably used this on my face twice since last time I washed it. So I've definitely rubbed mould around my face, which is like really nice and stunning to think about. So just be careful when you're using your beauty blender. Make sure you're using it every time clean, and make sure you've got no mould growing on it. And check all your beauty blenders to make sure none of your beauty blenders or beauty sponges or makeup sponges or whatever brand that you're using hasn't got this mouldy bit here. And it's actually pink mould as well, which is even worse. That's like your bathroom type mould. It's disgusting. So this one is going in the bin. I'm not even going to bother washing it at all. So yeah, I thought I'd come and share that with you today. Gross you out a little bit, because it's definitely grossed me out. So let me know down below in the comment section whether you've had any encounters with your beauty blenders, makeup sponges, whether you've grown mould yourself unintentionally. Because I definitely didn't mean to do it, so I'm definitely going to bin that. And then I've just got some other beauty blenders that I'm really going to rewash, and then I've got some brand new ones as well, which I will never let just dry out in the bathroom area again. I will definitely make sure that they're aired out properly. So yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you can see all my other videos as well. I do lots of makeup reviews and tutorials and things like that, and just life updates. Yeah, hit the like button as well, let me know that you've seen this video, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye!